simply you can go to the virtual lab. Okay, virtual lab COEP. Okay, everyone write down virtual lab COEP website. This is the website for performing the virtual lab practical on DT subject. Okay, तुम्ही virtual lab वरती practical perform करू शकता. तर virtual lab COEP enter. Then this slide COEP Pune. Click on this tab, that is the COE Pune virtual lab. Okay, click on this tab, then we will get virtual lab at COEP Pune. Different areas are there. Okay, different areas are available, means sensors modeling and simulation lab, then industrial automation lab, then electric machine, then PLC, vibration, micro machining, then fab lab. All different things are there, but in that list you can only select hybrid electronics lab. Okay, write down procedure. First you enter VLab or virtual lab COEP, then select in that hybrid electronics lab. Okay, hybrid electronics lab. Then here available the screen, that is the virtual lab logo, then home, all labs, then partners, then contact number. Okay, but focus on this slide, that is the electronics and communication. In that first point was introduction. Okay, here click on introduction, then hybrid electronics lab. Here is the all introduction available, means in this lab which practicals or which data available in this lab. Okay, in this lab which data available? First one, basic analog and digital techniques are demonstrated. Then we will simulate code converters like BCD to gray, gray to BCD, binary to BCD, BCD to binary, likewise. Okay, then counters, then register, then arithmetic logical unit, then decoder, encoder, multiplexer, demultiplexer, different converters, and many more. These things is included in hybrid electronics lab. Okay, but in your syllabus, in your DT theory subject, only code converters over, right? Yes or no? आतापर्यंत DT मध्ये code converters practical related only point cover is a code converter. Okay, so here is a list of experiment. Okay, click on this list of experiment. This is the list of experiment in hybrid electronics lab. Which is the first experiment? Design and implementation of various arithmetic circuit, then design and simulate various code converter, then design and simulation of various counters and shift register. Then next one, design and simulation of arithmetic logic unit, then design and simulation of decoders, encoders, multiplexer and demultiplexer, then design and simulate analog to digital converter and digital to analog converter, and last one is the implementation of monostable and stable oscillator using IC 555. तुमच्या हायब्रिड इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स लॅब मध्ये हे टोटल किती एक्सपेरिमेंट आहेत? 7th एक्सपेरिमेंट आहेत, पण in your syllabus covered only code converter. So today we will perform the design and simulate various code converters. Okay, so how to simulate in virtual lab? Click on this experiment. What is the experiment? Design and simulate various code converter. Okay, so here lab manual or lab writers are available, means first aim, then pre-test, then theory, then simulator, then procedure, then audio and video, then post-test, then download, conclusion, feedback. These all options are available in virtual lab practical. Okay, so see one by one. What is the aim for this experiment? Aim means title. Aim is nothing but the title. What is the title for your experiment? To design and simulate binary to gray, gray to binary, BCD to XS3, XS3 to BCD code converters. Okay, so in theory already this part are covered. How to convert binary to gray, gray to binary, BCD to XS, XS3 to BCD code converters. Simply we can see the how to convert in a practical. Okay, cross check. म्हणजे काय करणार आहे तुम्ही? थेअरी मध्ये जसं कन्वर्जन करताय तसंच प्रॅक्टिकल मध्ये कन्वर्जन होतंय का नाही ते बघणार आहात. ओके, with reference to VLAB. What is the prerequisites? What is mean by prerequisites? प्रीरिक्विसाइट मीन्स ऍपरेटस, कोणते कोणते प्रॅक्टिकल परफॉर्म करताना तुम्हाला कंपोनंट अवेलेबल लागतात ते. आता हे पूर्ण सॉफ्टवेअर प्रॅक्टिकल आहे, म्हणजे काय लागणार आहे तुम्हाला? नॉलेज ऑफ नंबर सिस्टीम, म्हणजे हाऊ टू कन्वर्ट वन नंबर सिस्टीम टू अनदर नंबर सिस्टीम. विच इज द नंबर सिस्टीम और विच आर द डिफरंट टाइप्स ऑफ नंबर सिस्टीम? सृष्टी, आर यू देयर? सृष्टी.
Yes, ma'am.
What are the different types of number system? Pranali, are you there? Pranali.
Decimal, binary, octal, and hexadecimal.
Okay, good. Then Prerna, are you there? Prerna Koli. Surekha.
Yes, ma'am.
Decimal, binary, octal, hexadecimal.
Okay. Now screen is visible, all of you?
Yes.
Okay. Next, NI LabVIEW tool means virtual lab tool. Okay. And next objective of this experiment to understand different codes, then understand different code converters, and then last one is the code converters in real type applications. Okay, in real life applications. Next one, theory. What is the theory? Means basic things for your code. What is mean by binary code? Binary code is nothing but the symbolic representation or group of bit. Okay, is nothing but the binary code, and binary code is either 0 or 1. Next one, what is mean by BCD code? BCD code is a weighted code, and what is the weight assigned for BCD code?
8421.
8421.
Okay, next gray code. What is mean by gray code?
Gray code is unweighted.
Non-weighted or unweighted code. And how to calculate gray code in a binary number? Check difference between two bits. Okay, difference is there to put. What is the value put? Suppose I will consider 0, 0, 1, 1. Okay. So what is the gray code to binary conversion? How to calculate? Check these two values. First, keep 0 bit as it is. Then compare these two bits. 0, 0. Any difference was there?
No.
No. Then put again 0.
0.
Next, check this bit to this bit. Position is changed, right? Means 0 shifted as a 1 value. Then difference is there. So put 1.
1.
Again, next, check this 1 to next MSB bit. Difference is there? Not difference found, right? So put 0. Okay. So here is the calculation for the gray to binary conversion. Next one, what is mean by XS3 code? XS3 code again non-weighted code, right? And non-weighted code, XS3 code. Suppose I will consider 1, 0 1 0. So what is the BCD code for this XS3 code? Add number, decimal number 3, right? So 0 0 1 1. This is the decimal number or binary number for 3 value. What is the answer? 0 plus 1. Add this number with XS3 number. 0 plus 1.
1.
1. First make addition for these two number. Next 1 plus 1.
0.
0.
0 with carry
1.
1. Next 0 plus 1.
1.
1.
1. And next 1 plus 0.
1.
What is the answer? 1101. Okay. So this is the basic information for the all codes or code converters. Okay. So check one by one how to simulate this theory. Click on simulator. Next simulator, click on this simulator tab. Next here, look, design and simulate various code converters. Okay, so click here for simulator. Click on this tab, that is the click here. Okay, so this slide, all of you, slide is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
point was binary to gray code conversion. Binary to gray code conversion. Okay, in that how to convert binary to gray, this red tab is a switch, nothing but the switch. So all initial stage, these all switch in a off state. Off state means in digital language
0.
0. Good. So if you click on this off button, then change the position, means off to on or on to off. Here on means
1.
1. Good. Suppose I will click this off button. Change the value. This is 0 1 0 0. This is the binary number. What is the binary number for 0 1 0 1? Decimal 5. Decimal 5. 0 into 0 1 0 1. Okay. So convert this binary to gray. What is the value for this 5 number? Binary to gray conversion. Solve this example.
0 1 1 1.
0 1
1 1 0.
Why mismatch answers? What is the procedure for binary to gray conversion? Suppose here 0 1 0 1. First step, keep, here is the LSB bit, here is the MSB bit. Okay, first procedure or first step, keep MSB bit as it is, means here put 0 as it is. Next, this MSB bit add with next MSB bit, means what is the answer? 0 plus 1 1. Next, this one add with next MSB bit, means 1 plus 0 again 1.
1.
How? Next, this 0 add with next MSB bit, that is 0 plus 1 again 1. What is the answer? 0 1 1 1. So I will click on run button. Okay, here is the run tab. Click on this run. What is the answer? 0 1 1 1. Means what is the cross check here? In your theory. Theory means this is the theory things, right? थेरी मध्ये आपण असं कन्वर्जन करतोय. ह्या स्टेप्स आहेत. स्टेप्स फॉलो करून थेरी मध्ये हे कन्वर्जन येते. तर प्रॅक्टिकल मध्ये ते येते का काय ते क्रॉस चेक करणार आपण व्हीलॅब थ्रू. ओके, इट इज करेक्ट.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, So take next another example. Click here of 0001. What is the answer for this condition? Zero 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 one. What is the answer? This is the decimal one.
0001.
0001. First 0001 and this run. What is the answer? 0001. So you can cross check all this table. This is the binary number and this is the gray code convergence. Okay. So first you check 0001. Okay. 0001 means what? 0001 means this condition. Okay. So what is the answer for this 0001? Again 0001. Okay. You can cross check this way. All these things or all these digits. Okay. Understand? Everyone understand?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Next conversion, gray to binary. Okay. Here is next conversion, gray to binary. How to convert this gray to binary? Suppose here value is 0. Click on 0, 1, 1, 0. This is the decimal number 6. Okay. So what is the gray to binary conversion? How to convert? What is the procedure? What is the steps for this conversion? 0, 1, 1, 0. What is the step? First step, keep MSB bit as it is. Means here, keep MSB bit as it is, 0. Then this result add with next MSB bit. Right now? Here gray to
Yes,
binary number. Means result add करणार आहात. Not this first bit to next bit. Okay. आपण बायनरी मध्ये काय करत होतो? फर्स्ट बीट नेक्स्ट बीट मध्ये ऍड करत जात होतो अप टू LSB बीट. ओके. बट हियर add result with next bit means 0 add with this one bit 0 plus 1 again 1 add this one with next bit means 1 plus 1 0. Third step, what is this third step? Here carry generate. If carry generates then ignore the carry. Okay. And next this 0 add with this 0, answer is 0. So check here this value is getting or not. Simply click on run button. Then what is the answer? 0100. Here also theory result is everyone understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This is the first practical. Okay. So these two things we will explain or we will see in the next practical or next lecture. Okay. Because this theory part is not covered. So also cover binary to gray code conversion and gray to binary code conversion. So you log in with your mobile virtual lab practical and practice on. Okay. Continue practice with another all numbers. Okay. Everyone got it? How to go VLab?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I will again explain. Click virtual lab COEP with Google. Okay. COEP Google. Virtual lab COEP. Click on this virtual lab COEP and then click on hybrid electronics lab. Okay. Hybrid, in that hybrid electronics lab we will show this slide, introduction and list of experiment. Click on list of experiment. Then click on which practical? Second number practical, design and simulate various code converters and click on simulator. Okay, click on simulator, then again click here for simulator and then performing your practicals. Here this slide is visible, best view in Google Chrome. Click on OK and then start your practicals. Okay, so everyone practice. Okay, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Everyone practice on VLab up to 245. Okay, if any error, any query, then contact to me. Any doubt regarding this practical?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay.